How to verify your Rumble account. Hey guys, in today's video we are diving into Rumble and showing you how to verify your account. Verifying your account not only adds credibility but also unlocks additional features. Stick around and we will walk you through the process step by step. Before we get started, let's quickly discuss why it's important to verify a Rumble account. Verification not only boosts your account's credibility but also allows you to access features like monetization, increased upload limits. Now let's jump into the step-by-step process of Rumble account verification. If you don't have an account, first of all, create an account. Then you need to go to your Rumble dashboard, click on your profile and then click on account overview. Here click on account verification. Then you need to provide your country code, select your country and then you need to provide your phone number without the country code. Double check the information you have provided and when you are sure it's correct, hit the text me button on mobile phone. If you have provided landline, click on landline and mobile call me. After you submit your information ID, Rumble's team will review your application. This can take some time, so be patient. Once your account is verified, you will receive a confirmation email. Congratulations, you have successfully verified your Rumble account. You can monetize your videos and earn revenue from ads. Verified accounts have higher upload limits, allowing you to share more content. Verified badge adds credibility to your account, making viewers trust your content. Verifying your Rumble account is a crucial step. If you want to make the most of this platform, it not only enhances your account credibility but also unlocks valuable features like monetization. So follow these steps, get verified and start taking your Rumble experience to the next level. That's a wrap up for our guide on how to verify your Rumble account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any question or suggestion for future videos, feel free to drop them in comment below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.